In the previous video, we didn't cover about the group by function. So let's do that first. So that what I will try to do is I will try to group category and then try to find the unit price of each category. For that, select category column, click on group by. Can keep the drop down option as category itself, because that is what we want to group, right? So I will keep it like that. And new column name would be unit price total. Count rows, it needs to be sum because I want to add the information of each category. And this will be unit price. If I hit click, unit price total comes up and the category comes up, right? So it shows like the total unit price against each category like I wanted. So this is what the group by function is used for. I will remove the group by function so that I get the table back. Now we'll see one more example of replace value before we go on to the next topics. Let's see one more example of replace value before we move to merge queries. So now let's assume if I want to change Pune to Mumbai, all I can do is I select the city column, replace value, and what needs to be found is Pune. I'll select Pune and then update Mumbai. And you will see that Pune have been replaced to Mumbai. So this is how the replace value works, right? I hope you would have understood how to use the replace value.